Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the best Hairmax cap on the market, the Hairmax PowerFlex 272 Laser Cap. If you're struggling with thinning hair or hereditary hair loss, this might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. Let's start with the technology. The PowerFlex 272 isn't your average red light therapy device. This cap features a total of 272 medical-grade lasers, not LEDs, but actual lasers, delivering a total energy output of 1360 milliwatts. That means more focused, more effective, and more comprehensive coverage of your scalp. It's FDA cleared for both men and women, and clinically validated by 7 studies, with results published in 6 peer-reviewed medical journals. In those studies, users saw an average increase of 129 new hairs per square inch after 6 months. That's not just marketing hype, that's science-backed performance. First, the design. The PowerFlex 272 has a flexible structure, making it one of the most comfortable laser caps on the market. Unlike rigid shell designs, this one conforms to the shape of your head, allowing for a snug and secure fit. It's also cordless and rechargeable, so you can move around freely during your treatment sessions. No need to be tethered to a wall. And speaking of treatments, the commitment here is surprisingly minimal. Just 3 sessions a week, 7 minutes per session. That's it. Set it on your head, turn it on, and let the lasers go to work. There's even a vibration timer to notify you when your session is complete, so you don't have to keep checking the clock. Behind this product is Hairmax, a global leader in laser hair growth technology. Founded in 2000, they've been pioneering in this field for over 2 decades. With 14 international medical device licenses and a 93% success rate in clinical trials, it's clear they know what they're doing. Doctors commonly recommend Hairmax devices for treating androgenetic alopecia, which includes male and female pattern baldness, menopause-related hair loss, and general age-related thinning. One of the most appreciated aspects of the PowerFlex 272 is its user-friendliness. The digital control panel shows the treatment timer, battery level, and status lights for the laser modules. The setup is intuitive, and because it's hands-free, you can easily multitask, read, work, or just relax during your sessions. Now you might be wondering about comfort and durability. The build quality is top-notch. The materials feel solid, yet lightweight. The cap breathes well too, so you won't feel hot or uncomfortable wearing it. It's engineered for long-term use, and since it's a medical-grade device, you're making a one-time investment for years of benefit. If you've tried shampoos, oils, or oral treatments without results, this could be the non-invasive, drug-free alternative you've been looking for. It's safe, effective, and convenient. If you're serious about combating hair loss with a clinically backed solution, the answer is yes. It's the best Hairmax cap for a reason: power, comfort, results. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest and expert reviews on the latest in health and wellness tech. See you in the next video.